Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting the default SIM card for different actions like phone calls and mobile data on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have two SIM cards installed on your Xiaomi phone, you may want to use a different one for calls and texts, and a different one for mobile data. Here is how to set up the default options for SIM cards. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select SIM cards and mobile networks. Here you can choose the default SIM card for calls and the default SIM card for mobile data. If you choose the pen icon for calls, then it will ask you which SIM card to use each time you try to make a call. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.